We found this interesting person here. Hold on. You mix it, you'll fix it. You'll mix it, you'll fix it.
You mix it, I'll fix it.
All right. Now, how fast does it take you to put it back together? A minute 20. All right. Here's what I'll do. While I'm mixing it, I'll make you a deal. If you get this done under 2 minutes, I'll give you a free box. I'll give you 2 free bags of Pocky. Look at that. Oh man. He's got one side done. He has the blue side done. Now he's working on the other side.
Actually, my costume didn't make it when I ordered it, so I just threw some stuff together the best I could. When people ask, I just say I'm one of the fairies from Zelda.
Oh, jeez.
Spider-Man.
He's still trying to...
I'm Kurama from Yu Yu Hakusho.
Him? Oh, you know Chris.
Yeah, I'm really good friends with him and gosh, she's gonna kill me. She's gonna kill me.
Say it right into the microphone. Say it.
No, hello.
I've never not been able to solve it. Just sometimes I'll make stupid mistakes.
Oh my god. Jack's accomplice. Don't kill me, please. I swear you're gonna hurt me. I swear this. I know you. I talk to you almost every night on a computer. Holy crap. I'm gonna die now.
Oh. Well, let's see you solve it anyway.
I'm sorry, Chrissy. Why are you sorry? That's it.
Probably the worst I've gotten in 2 weeks.
What was it?
This is the worst I've gotten in 2 weeks.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
One time.
There we go.
This is the worst time I've gotten in 2 weeks.
The worst time he's gotten. What was the best time you had? 120?
120.
120. Oh, but it's solved.